Understanding Newton's three laws of motion.
Newton's three laws of motion are fundamental principles that explain how and why objects move. These laws, developed by scientist Isaac Newton in the 17th century, shape our understanding of everything from walking to driving, throwing balls, and even space travel. By mastering these concepts, we can better grasp the forces at play in our everyday lives.
First law, the law of inertia.
Newton's first law states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion remains in motion with the same speed and direction, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This is also called the law of inertia. It explains why you feel a jolt when a car stops suddenly. Your body wants to keep moving forward.
Second law, force equals mass times acceleration.
The second law explains how the motion of an object changes when a force is applied. It's summed up in the equation: force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals m times a. The heavier an object, or the more force you use, the more its motion changes. Pushing a loaded cart requires more force than pushing an empty one.
Third law, action and reaction.
Newton's third law tells us that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This explains how rockets launch. Burning fuel pushes gas downwards, and the reaction pushes the rocket up. On a smaller scale, when you jump, your legs push down on the ground, and the ground pushes you upward.
Newton's laws in everyday life.
Newton's laws are everywhere. Catching a ball, slowing a bike with brakes, or feeling pushed back in a car seat. These all demonstrate the laws in action. By understanding how objects move and interact, we gain insights into the world and can predict and control movement in sports, transportation, and technology.